Welcome to an organic product proof video. Our product proof videos are designed to communicate features and benefits through testing of our products in very specific ways. First and foremost, all of our products are completely organic, odorless, colorless, non-staining, hypoallergenic, and completely safe around people, pets, and plants. That makes us unique in the market. In this video, we will test our silver product as a preventative to mold, fungi, and bacteria growing on produce. It contains OH radicals and superoxide anions, which are an O2 negative molecule. Our name, organic, is derived from the hydroxyl or OH radical molecule. This molecule is one of nature's most potent oxidizing agents. It has the ability to inactivate pathogenic viruses and bacteria and neutralize allergenic pollens and mold spores. Organic products are powerful pathogen killers. Mold, fungus, bacteria, and viruses are no match for the proprietary blend of hydroxyl radicals and superoxide anions found in the silver product. So let's talk about this experiment. It was run independently in December of 2020. The goal of the testing was to prove out the killing power of our silver product in regard to common mold, fungi, and bacteria that attack produce. In this case, we utilized an acorn squash. It is important to understand how the testing process was developed and how much more stringent it was than what would occur under any normal circumstances. It is also very important to understand the potency of the bacteria contamination conditions we applied here. So now let's go over the how of the experiment. We will be talking about the steps taken in sequence. The bacteria validation and kill confirmation testing was accomplished by using spoiled chicken, an acorn squash, sterile plates, and an incubation chamber. In step number 1, raw chicken was left at room temperature and unrefrigerated for 48 hours to ensure that bacteria would be aggressively growing and of a high volume on the chicken's surface. Under normal circumstances, this would be quite an extraordinary exposure situation. This essentially guaranteed that the chicken was spoiled and ensured that bacteria such as Salmonella and E. coli were active on the skin surface and the flesh of the chicken. In step number 2, we cut the squash into 4 sections. 2 of the 4 were the very ends of the squash. The other 2 were in the center of the squash and cleaned out. In step number 3, the contaminated chicken was then introduced onto the flesh of 2 of the sections of acorn squash and labeled as blanks. This was done by rubbing the spoiled chicken directly onto the squash. In step number 4, we repeated the prior step by rubbing the spoiled chicken directly onto the remaining 2 pieces. Here, however, we sprayed both pieces with our silver product. Silver is specifically a fruit and vegetable wash to eliminate any mold, fungi, or bacteria contamination that could be present prior to use or refrigeration. In step number 5, all 4 contaminated samples were placed in a sealed incubation chamber that maintained an average temperature range between 80 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit for 72 hours. And now for the results. After 72 hours, mold, fungi, and bacteria began to form on the contaminated but untreated samples of squash marked as blanks. This validated that the chicken was spoiled to begin the experiment with a significant level of contamination. And now for the organic silver treated samples. After 72 hours in the same incubator, under the same conditions, there were no visible signs of any mold, fungi, or bacteria contamination whatsoever. The only observation was the acorn squash had started to dehydrate from the heat introduced from the incubation chamber. In conclusion, This test simulated the development of microbial contamination such as mold, fungi, or bacteria on vegetables, in this case a squash, as well as the ability of the organic silver product to oxidize and kill any of the bacteria contamination present. The testing protocol was not just to contaminate a vegetable, but with a significant dosing of bacteria that would not occur in normal daily circumstances. This experiment was a clear demonstration of the ability of the organic silver product to eliminate high concentrations of mold, fungi, or bacteria on vegetables at nearly 100% efficiency. Use the organic silver spray, following proper protocol, on fruits and vegetables to kill any mold, fungi, or bacteria that may be present. The silver product should be used in both commercial and residential environments on any fruits and vegetables, with the exception of mushrooms, as they are a fungus. It should be used on a daily basis in commercial produce departments to prevent premature mold, fungal spoilage, and bacterial contamination. And less loss means an increase in profits. Silver should be used at home immediately after the cleaning of produce prior to use or refrigeration. Not only will this be healthier to consume, but it will increase the life of the produce through prevention of contamination and premature spoilage. And remember, it is completely organic and safe with no synthetic chemicals of any sort. Isn't it finally time to switch? Organic offers products that are completely safe organic solutions that will eliminate pathogens while keeping you, your children, pets, and plants out of harm's way. Find out all about our company and product lines by visiting www.allorganic.com. Thank you and stay safe.